Hello my darlings, and welcome to my monthly sigil series. Each month I create a unique magic sigil that you can use for your own spell work. In this video, I create a sigil to use to bring a serene and protected home. Let's do some magical crafting. I'm using a worksheet I designed to create this sigil. If you'd like to download any of my sigil making worksheets, please visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. My patrons can download recipes, Book of Shadows pages, artwork, and more, all provided as PDFs. To begin creating the magical sigil, I start with the magical intention. I write this out as a positive phrase. My statement for this sigil is, "My home is protected and serene." Do not combine too many ideas into a sigil. It's best to have one single clear intent that represents your true will. I remove all vowels, leaving only consonants. Consonants are the manifesting sounds, and if a consonant is repeated, I use it only one time. I'm left with MYHSPRTCDN. Next, I turn all of the letters into numbers using the number chart. And I'm left with 478 179 2345. I use the numbers to create a sigil in the gridded box. Each square has a number between 1 and 9. I place dots in the center of each square as I come to it in order and connect the dots with lines. As I work, I focus my intention and put my energy and will into the creation of the sigil. I concentrate on the intention of the sigil as I create it. My home is protected and serene. I took the final result and scanned it into Photoshop and recreated it as a digital artwork, which I placed on a colorful background inside of a circle. And here is the final sigil printed out onto a heat transferable vinyl sheet, which I cut out and ironed onto the canvas bag. This design will be transferred onto spell bags for my Sigil Spell Bag tier patrons this month. On my Patreon, I have a Sigil Spell Bag Patreon tier. Sigil Spell Bag patrons receive a monthly pen pal card with stickers and a note from me, and a new Sigil Spell Bag tucked inside of their card every month. If you'd like to become a Sigil Spell Bag patron, I'll put a link in the description below. This sigil is meant to be shared. Feel free to use it on any magical workings that you do related to protecting and bringing joy to your home. You can fill this spell bag with anything you like: herbs, tag locks, petitions, crystals, and more. What you choose for your spell bag will be personal to you and the magical intent that you're making it for. Because it's a canvas zippered pouch, it can also be used to hold your witchy supplies. For example, I'm using it to hold a pendulum, a mini pendulum board, and a bottle of scrying ink for divination. I'm sending you blessings of a serene and protected home. May your home be a sanctuary of calm.